No sweat, unraveling an everyday English expression. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, no sweat. This expression is commonly used in everyday conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore what no sweat really means and how you can use it effectively. No sweat is an informal phrase in English. It's believed to originate from the physical concept of not having to sweat or exert too much effort to accomplish something. Essentially, when someone says, no sweat, they mean that something is easy to do or not a problem. This phrase often signifies that the speaker is comfortable with the task at hand or that they don't foresee any difficulties. Let's look at how no sweat is used in everyday conversations. 1. Offering reassurance. 2. A. Can you help me move this table? 3. B. No sweat. I'd be happy to help. 4. Responding to thanks. 5. A. Thanks for lending me your book. 6. B. No sweat. Glad I could help. 7. Expressing ease in tasks. 8. A. Is it hard to set up this device? 9. B. No sweat, it's really straightforward. In each of these examples, no sweat is used to convey ease, willingness, or the absence of difficulty. While no sweat is a handy phrase, it's important to use it in the right context. It's best suited for informal situations like conversations with friends or colleagues. However, in formal settings or professional communications, it's advisable to use more formal language, such as certainly or I'd be happy to assist. The English language is rich with variations and synonyms. Some common phrases that share a similar meaning to no sweat include no problem, it's a breeze, easy peasy, piece of cake. Understanding these variations can help you enrich your vocabulary and better grasp the nuances of informal English expressions. There you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, no sweat. Remember, it's a casual, friendly way to express that something is easy or not a problem. We hope this video has been informative and adds a new expression to your English toolkit. Keep practicing, and remember, learning a new language is, well, no sweat.